Daily English Talks.
English conversation. Booking a taxi.
Hello, I would like to book a taxi because I need to go to the airport early tomorrow morning for an important flight.
Good evening. Thank you for calling our taxi service, and I will be happy to help you arrange a ride.
Thank you very much. Could you please tell me if taxis are available around 5 o'clock in the morning?
Yes, we do operate 24 hours a day, so booking a taxi for 5 a.m. will not be a problem.
That is great to hear because I am worried about missing my flight if I cannot find transportation.
I understand your concern, and that is why booking in advance is always a good idea.
I would like the taxi to pick me up from my apartment near the city center.
Could you please provide the exact address so that the driver can find your location easily?
Yes, the address is 25 Riverside Street, Building B, apartment number 402.
Thank you for the details. And may I ask where your destination will be tomorrow morning?
I need to go to the international airport, specifically to Terminal 2 for my departure.
Understood. And do you have an estimate of how many passengers will be traveling with you?
I will be traveling alone, but I will have 2 large suitcases and 1 small backpack.
In that case, I will arrange a comfortable car with enough space for your luggage.
I really appreciate that, because carrying heavy bags can be quite stressful.
Of course, our drivers are trained to assist passengers with their luggage if needed.
That sounds very helpful. And how long do you think the trip will take at that hour?
Early in the morning, traffic is usually light, so it should take around 30 minutes.
That is perfect because my check-in time starts at 6 o'clock.
We will make sure the taxi arrives a few minutes early to avoid any delays.
Thank you for being so considerate. It really gives me peace of mind.
You are very welcome. And may I have your contact number for confirmation?
Yes, my phone number is 012-345-678.
Thank you. I have noted your number, and you will receive a confirmation message shortly.
That is great. And could you also tell me the estimated fare for this trip?
The estimated fare to the airport will be around $15, depending on traffic conditions.
That price sounds reasonable, and I am comfortable with that amount.
We accept both cash and card payments, so you can choose whichever is more convenient.
I prefer to pay by card as it is easier for me.
No problem at all. All of our taxis are equipped with card payment machines.
That is very convenient, and I am glad to hear that.
Is there any special requests you would like to make before I complete the booking?
Yes, I would appreciate it if the driver could be punctual and call me upon arrival.
Certainly. I will include that note in your booking details.
Thank you. That will help me prepare and come downstairs on time.
You are welcome, and the driver will wait for you for a few minutes if necessary.
That is very reassuring, especially early in the morning.
Your taxi is now successfully booked for tomorrow at 5 a.m.
Wonderful. I feel much more relaxed now knowing everything is arranged.
I am glad we could help make your travel easier.
If something changes, is it possible to modify or cancel the booking?
Yes, you can cancel or change the booking up to 1 hour before pickup time.
That is good to know, and I will keep that in mind.
Do you have any other questions or concerns at the moment?
No, I think you have covered everything clearly.
Then we look forward to providing you with a smooth and comfortable ride.
Thank you again for your excellent service and clear explanation.
It is our pleasure, and we value every customer.
I will be ready on time tomorrow morning.
Perfect. The driver will be there as scheduled.
I hope you have a pleasant evening.
Thank you, and we wish you a safe and enjoyable journey.
I appreciate your kindness and professionalism.
Thank you for choosing our taxi service.
Goodbye, and see you tomorrow morning.
Goodbye and have a good rest before your trip.
I will do that. Thanks once again.
You are always welcome to call us anytime.
I will definitely recommend your service to others.
We truly appreciate that and look forward to serving you again.